Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the camera and jumping into camera view. Press 0. Once in, enable lock camera to view from the view sidebar so viewport navigation updates the camera. Now, use the numpad or Alt plus middle mouse button to orbit, Shift plus MMB to pan, and Scroll or Control plus MMB to dolly. These map directly to camera movement. This immediate control lets you compose shots visually rather than guessing transforms. Make sure to save a backup before major adjustments. Now refine framing using transforms. Press G to grab, R to rotate, and S to scale the camera object while watching camera view. This changes position and angle precisely. For lens control, open camera properties and tweak focal length to alter perspective. Lower values widen view, higher values compress space. If you need constrained motion, add an empty and use a track to constraint so the camera follows a subject smoothly. Once done, animate transforms with keyframes for consistent motion across frames. To finish, keyframe the camera's location and rotation at frame points, or parent it to a follow path curve for controlled sweeps. Press I to insert keyframes. Toggle perspective versus orthographic in the camera settings when you need true parallel projection for technical shots. If things go wrong, first check lock camera to view. Disabling it often restores independent viewport navigation. If the camera appears stuck or offset, reset transforms with Alt plus G and Alt plus R, then reapply constraints. This clears accidental offsets quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.